Hey guys, welcome back. Capital City Automotive. Final video, part 3 of 2005 Nissan Altima check engine light P0420, which cat efficiency code, as your cat's being low, not working properly. So what we was trying to do was show you on screen how you can actually tell that cat is not working correctly. And one of the things that we use is the oxygen sensor. It's what your engine computer uses to determine whether that cat is good or bad. But we had to get it hot enough. We had to get some certain parameters set, prerequisites done, so that we could actually make sure that it was a viable test. So nevertheless, I got it on screen here. I'm gonna flip and show. I know, and I apologize that it's well, let's see here. I think I can fix that. We're gonna just flip the camera so that you can see it completely how I see it. I think the first 2 videos I didn't see that icon for flipping it. But anyway, so let me explain this. This is what they call an air fuel sensor. Same thing as an oxygen sensor, but they call it air fuel because it helps control air fuel ratio. It's the input for that. So if you look at the graph, you see some up and down. Now you'll notice on the left there's a scale. That scale is different than the scale that's over here. So the graph's gonna look a little bit different, but we don't really care about that. What we care about is the up and down motion of that graph. So what we're looking at here is, you see how you got this up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Well, that's fine, because you want it up and down on the bank 1 pre-cat. Once the cat works, then it should, and the back sensor, be almost a straight line. And we see clearly that it's not a straight line. And what it's saying on a straight line is there's no oxygen content. So the cat is doing what it was designed to do, and that is remove hydrocarbons out of the exhaust before they come out of the tailpipe. You want to see nice water coming out of your tailpipe. That's another sign that your cats and your engine is working efficiently. So nevertheless, that's what we do for that. So we have verified a couple different ways why. I'm gonna try to flip and see if that'll give me, if it'll allow that. Okay, it's telling me I can't turn while recording. So, but anyway, I'll take a step back, and they should be this screen here, right? This should really be your pre. This should be the one before the cat. You see how he's trying to work a little bit, and then it's not. So it's probably broken apart on the inside. This is how the first one should look, and then you should see a flat line. You see a flat line all the time on the post cat 02. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps you. Just in case if you ever get this code and you're in a shop, these are some of the questions you can ask. How do the oxygen sensors look? Have you ran that test? And so you can be a little bit more educated going into the process, so that you get fairly treated, and that the shop's doing their due diligence on ensuring that your car is properly diagnosed, not just throwing some parts on and costing you in the end. All right, guys, have a good time. Post any kind of questions that you have, and we'll try to answer them as well moving forward. Thanks. We'll see you later on our next post.